Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, go directly to Passwords and Security and open Fingerprint Unlock. Authenticate with your PIN or pattern so the phone trusts you. Once verified, you'll see a list of saved fingerprints. This is where you manage identity. Tap the listed fingerprint you want removed. This selects it. You do this because the system requires a confirmable owner action to prevent unauthorized deletions. After selecting, prepare to confirm the deletion. The next step removes the stored biometric template from the device. You'll see Delete or Remove on the selected fingerprint entry. Tap it to begin the deletion flow. The device prompts you to confirm. This prevents accidental loss, so press Confirm. If the phone asks, re-enter your PIN or pattern. This second verification ensures only the owner can change biometric data. Once confirmed, the fingerprint template is erased from secure storage, so that finger no longer unlocks the device. If you have more fingerprints to remove, repeat these steps for each entry. Once done, verify by locking and trying that finger. It should no longer unlock the phone. If the entry still appears, restart the device to refresh the settings UI and storage indexes. Make sure your MIUI is updated, and if a ghost entry remains, clear the Settings app cache. Settings app settings storage clear cache. If nothing works, backup data and consider a factory reset as last resort. This removes persistent data, but only use it after confirming backups and account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.